You little pup shit! You don't fucking have anything to explain because I had a head injury. I've spent years writing a journal trying to get my fucking life straight. It doesn't mean take it from me because I wrote my life down. Nothing has changed. Nothing in me ever has changed except I married me. Nothing. Nothing! Now, Andrew Matoska, get the fuck off my body! Get your fat, ugly face off my body! Shoot me then. Why don't you shoot this fucking physical body? I don't want to be here without my fucking stuff. That's mine. I married me, not you people. I'm a group. I have a cat. I have a wolf. I have a bird. I have a spider. I have a snake. Holy shit. I forgot. I forgot what a family group is. Hold on, Ashley.